Hi, my name is Anthony and my group is Chris, Cam, and I. Today we'll be talking about overfishing and what it does to the environment. What is overfishing? Well, that's simple. It is a removal of a species of fish from a body of water at a rate that the species cannot replenish in time, resulting in those species either becoming depleted or very underpopulated in that given area. Next, we'll be talking about the past and the present of overfishing. Fishing was the most sustainable because of fishermen did not have resources or the technology to trend into deeper waters at far-flung locations. Today, however, fishing is a multi-million-dollar industry with well-equipped ships and high-tech facilities that enable fishermen to explore new shores and deeper waters to keep up with the increase in demand on seafood. Next, we'll be talking about the impact. Pretty much the impact is like millions of fish are dying. In overfishing, it's curdled. We have high hope to revive and bring back millions of fish just by stopping overfishing. The solution is to prevent trawling. Trawling drags huge nets through the ocean that scoop up every animal in the ecosystem in its pathway, resulting in massive wasteful bycatch. Dead fish are usually returned by the sea because they weren't the target of fish. By preventing trawling, thousands and hundreds of thousands of fish will stay alive and not killed from overfishing. Thank you.